guys, welcome to Spirit Expressions. We're going to watch me make my first project with the Cricut today. I make a couple of pretty good mistakes, so watch closely for what not to do. I won't tell you just how hard I found it to get this paper perfectly lined up on the mat. And then I found out later it really wasn't as necessary as I was making it out to be to get it so close. And this is my first mistake. See here it says push firmly in? Look what I don't do. I was trying so hard to be gentle with it that I wasn't rough enough and I didn't push it all the way in. Wait for it. I did remember to put the pen in, but I think that was only because the computer told me to. Right about now I'm thinking, I think that's a little too high. And then I shrugged my shoulders. And right here I thought, oh no, it is cutting my brand new mat. Oh my god, is my machine defective? What did I do wrong? And wait for it. Oh, there I actually pushed it in. I didn't even realize that I didn't push it in until like my second project. So as you can see, I sped a few parts of the video up for you. And there it is, my first cut mat. Surely nothing else can go wrong, right? I did remember to take the pen out and cap it. I was pretty proud of myself for that because I was kind of worried about it. If I were going to do this project again, I would actually add in a scoring line because that wasn't the easiest thing to fold. It wasn't that hard. It was just, you know, could have been easier. I did read that you're supposed to put the mat down and pull the paper off that way with the mat on the bottom, or on the top and the paper on the bottom. It does work pretty well. I have since modified the way I do this, and it's a little bit more extreme. But there we go. Here's my lovely card detached from its mat. See right there, it would have been kind of nice to have a line to say this is where you actually fold it, because I'm not the best at folding things. So I had no idea I would have this many problems with reverse tweezers. It took a little bit of a learning curve to figure out what I was doing and to tweeze when I wanted it closed. And but just couldn't get it. I'm like, there's got to be a better way. I've got all these brand new tools. Let me find something else. This, of course, really is supposed to be used for vinyl. I had no idea at the time. And oh look, here we go. Never do this, you guys. Because look, I scratched up my beautiful new mat. If you are going to use a scraper, make sure to do it on a hard surface like the table, because I've scraped up my mat a couple times not doing that again.
I love you too, honey. That's fine.